Waking up, feeling the taste of our fight last night. Breaking up, making a mess of an all good life. And now that you're gone, I'm thinking about old times. I've waited so long for this to be over. And now that I'm free from all the chains you've kept me in, I'll be okay. Now that I've found the only way to get myself home again, I'll be okay.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Shel's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share another cozy decorating video. Today I'm going to show you my favourite neutral pumpkins and how I decorate them throughout my home. I hope you enjoy. So I'm going to start in this cozy corner, guys, where I added my checkered throw, as well as this gorgeous cushion from Kmart, and one of the knitted pumpkins, which is from TK Maxx.
Thinking about old times. I've waited so long for this to be over. And now that I'm free from all the chains you've kept me in, I'll be okay. Now that I've found the only way to get myself home again, I'll be okay. I'll let you know I'll be alright.
Now on my little side table, guys, I wanted to add some cozy touches. I found this tiny little plate at Big W recently. It was on clearance, guys, and I love that it was a neutral tone. And I'm going to place that underneath my candle.
I'm biding my time.
I'm also going to add this beautiful glam pumpkin that I picked up a few years ago from Target.
I made up my mind. I'm waiting to find you. Now that I'm free from all the chains you've kept me in, I'll be okay. Now that I've found the only way to get myself home again, I'll be okay. I'll let you know I'll be alright. Now that I've found the only way to get myself home again, I'll be okay.
So guys, now I'm going to bring in my absolute favourite pumpkin of my collection. This beautiful Cinderella pumpkin I've had now probably about 6 years, guys, and I absolutely love it. It just makes my heart so happy every time I bring it out. I love to bring in my designer dupe throw blanket, as well as my chunky knit cushions that are from Pottery Barn.
Everything I needed, try to give me all the clues, hoping I would see the truth. Didn't know it, didn't know till we parted. Couldn't see the sun.
Now, one of the the things that I like to do, guys, is stage a certain area for my Instagram posts. I absolutely love taking photographs of cozy decor, especially this time of year as it is winter time here in Australia.
Could find a way to say sorry that I let you go. Sorry that I got so cold. Wish I could go back to what we were. Know that I was stupid. I was but a fool then.
Now, I'm really loving neutral decor in my home, especially for this season, and I love decorating my pumpkins. I used this beautiful wreath, which is from Temu, and added a little bow, also from Temu, to my white ceramic pumpkin.
I needed. And when I think of all the times I got it wrong and let you down, didn't know it, but what we had was perfect. Couldn't see the signs until you had enough and said.
Now, I love decorating my coffee table, and I pretty much keep it like this all the time, guys, but change out different things. So I always keep 3 pieces, like in a triangle shape on the round table, and I love my beautiful pumpkin candle. I've shared this with you many times before, and I absolutely love lighting it.
Go back to what we were.
Now, sticking with the cozy vibes, guys, I'm going to take these twinkle lights and I'm going to twist them around my beautiful pumpkin. I really love the cozy atmosphere this gives, and I also love taking photographs of it also for Instagram.
Maybe there's a chance to find a way to come back home.
Now, for my little photo shoot, I bought in my checkered scarf, which is from Temu. Now, I'm going to place it next to the pumpkin, and I'm going to bring in some cozy vibes.
Sorry that I let you go. Sorry that I got so cold. Wish I could go back to what we were. To what we were. Wish I could go back to what we were. Oh, I'm sorry that I let you go. Sorry that I got so cold. Wish I could go back to what we were. Know that I was stupid. I was but a fool then. Know that I was stupid, losing what we were. Know that I was stupid. I was but a fool then. Know that I was stupid, losing what we were. I'm looking at you. I'm trying to get your attention. Can I come close? I don't know how to play this. Our hands touch once or twice, feeling kind of hypnotized. I'm looking at you and I feel the tension. You know, this could be like heaven. I am right here, doing my best to make you feel like I do. And just for a second, you're looking at me, making me feel like maybe you want this too. Give me your attention.
So guys, now I'm going to decorate this little area of my home. These beautiful boucle chairs are from Kmart. They're actually swivel chairs, guys, and I love bringing in chunky knits to decorate them.
Feels just like water. You're making me weak now.
Now I have a pair of these beautiful chunky knit tiered pumpkins. I picked them up a few years ago from TK Maxx and I really love them.
Feel the tension. You know, this could be like heaven.
Now on the little table I'm going to add this beautiful wreath, which is from 1825 Interiors. On top I'm going to add this gorgeous lace pumpkin. It's another favourite of mine that I got a few years ago from TK Maxx.
Give me your attention.
Now on the opposite chair, I added the beautiful checkered throw blanket as well as this other tiered pumpkin. I absolutely love to decorate my home in cozy neutral tones. It has been very cold here in Australia and I love bringing warm and cozy vibes into my home.
You know, this could be like heaven. I am right here, doing my best to make you feel like I do. And just for a second, you're looking at me, making me feel like maybe you want this too. Give me your attention.
Leave me a comment down below if you love decorating your home neutral for this cozy season.
Give me your attention.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you've got style, the way your body keeps my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you, can't you see? I want you, I believe, 'cause I want you here with me. I'm gonna go crazy, I'm gonna go crazy for love.
If you're new to my channel, I'd love to welcome you here. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Shell, and I'm the creator of Shell's Glam Home. I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves sharing my passion for home decor. I share DIY projects, inspirational ideas, and home tours of my home. So if that's something that may interest you, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Shell's Glam Home family.
Oh, I want you, can't you see? I want you, I believe, 'cause I want you here with me. I'm gonna go crazy, I'm gonna go crazy for love. I don't need another love, yeah. We do this every day, we do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you've got style, the way your body keeps my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to decorating cozy in the neutral decor.
Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy.
I'll be back next week, guys, on Wednesday morning at 8 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.